Welcome to this Windows channel, and well, we have a new number today for Windows 10 during the keynote that happened today. Microsoft announced that Windows 10 is now on 700 million devices. So that is roughly, and I was counting, with the last number of 600 million that was announced last year. So roughly the upgrades to Windows 10 are happening at a rate of around 16.5 million updates to Windows 10 every month. Kind of interesting and really cool numbers when you think about it. And we're close to the mid 2018, and if you guys remember a long time ago when Windows 10 was released almost 3 years ago in 2015, they had predicted 1 billion devices would run Windows 10 for mid 2018. Now, we're not at 1 billion, and we're not going to be at 1 billion this summer for sure, but I think it's still nice and not that far off to be at the 700 million mark. And it just shows that slowly but surely Windows 10 is becoming the dominant Windows operating system, and that I think Microsoft should be happy. At the same time, probably Microsoft would have enjoyed having a bigger base of Windows 10 and probably a faster decline of Windows 7. That is probably something that they don't like. Seeing that Windows 7 is still very strong. I mean, it's pretty obvious that Windows 7 is still there, and there's a lot of machines running Windows 7. But apart from that, it's kind of interesting to see these numbers, and it's kind of cool. 700 million devices running Windows. This is everything, by the way. Okay, it's not just PCs. It includes whatever Windows phones are left. It includes Xbox, and it includes, of course, any other little thing that would have an IoT Windows 10 version or whatever. But the core, the PC side of it, out of 700 million, more than 600 million are PCs. There's not even 100 million other devices running Windows 10, so the majority, the core of all of that is Windows, is PCs really. So the march goes on at 16.5 million upgrades pretty much per month. So that's going to be interesting, and at that rate we might actually be to pretty much around 800 million by the end of the year, which is also a pretty good number. And I think Microsoft can be proud of achieving this and being able to sustain this, march forward into Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.